Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with an honest, expert touch. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to tackle the visible signs of aging and skin damage, the Ordinary GF 15% solution. This powerful anti-aging formula is designed to repair, regenerate, and rejuvenate the skin, and we're here to see if it delivers on those claims. The Ordinary has built a reputation for delivering straightforward, no-frills skincare solutions, and the GF 15% solution is no exception. This anti-aging treatment comes in a 1 ounce bottle and is intended for use on the face and neck. It's fragrance-free, which is a big plus for those with sensitive skin, and the formulation targets visible skin damage, helping to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and overall skin texture. When it comes to ingredients, the Ordinary GF 15% solution is focused on providing results without the excess. While the exact formula isn't fully disclosed, it's clear this solution is packed with high-performance ingredients aimed at reducing the visible signs of aging. The 15% concentration is designed to deliver noticeable results without overwhelming sensitive skin types, which is crucial for anyone dealing with both dryness and aging signs. So how does it perform in real-life testing? I've been using it for a few weeks now, both in the morning and evening skincare routines. It's a lightweight serum that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. It feels smooth on application and doesn't irritate or sting, which is key for sensitive skin types like mine. Over time, I noticed a subtle but noticeable improvement in the texture of my skin. Smoother, more even, and my fine lines appeared slightly softened. However, the results were gradual, as you'd expect with most anti-aging treatments. As for the neck area, it's an often overlooked area in skincare, but this product was easy to incorporate into my routine, and I did notice the skin there appeared firmer and more toned. For anyone concerned about neck skin aging, this product might be a solid addition to your regimen. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, it's gentle, fragrance-free, and effective at improving skin texture over time. It's also suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, which is a big win for those who usually shy away from more potent anti-aging products. On the downside, the results, while noticeable, are not instant. This isn't a miracle worker that will make wrinkles disappear overnight. And while the bottle is fairly priced, you might need to be consistent for several weeks to see significant improvements. As for value for money, it really depends on what you're expecting from an anti-aging product. The Ordinary's pricing is reasonable compared to many other brands offering similar formulations. If you're willing to be patient and consistent, the product does deliver on its promises, especially when compared to more expensive alternatives that don't necessarily offer better results. Speaking of alternatives, if you're on the hunt for something more budget-friendly or simply curious about other options, there are a few good choices in the market. Some drugstore brands offer similar formulations with peptides or other active ingredients aimed at smoothing out fine lines. But if you're looking for a no-nonsense approach, the Ordinary's GF 15% solution is hard to beat for the price. When it comes to build quality, the Ordinary has always delivered on simple, functional packaging. The dropper is easy to use, and the 1 ounce size is perfect for anyone looking to test the product without committing to a large bottle. The product itself lasts for a reasonable time, especially if you use it sparingly. In terms of customer support, I've never had to reach out to the Ordinary myself, but their reputation is solid. They're known for being responsive to customer inquiries and issues, which adds to the brand's overall appeal. As for product updates, I haven't seen any major changes to this formula, which means you're getting a tried-and-true product in its current form. Summing up, the Ordinary GF 15% solution is a solid anti-aging option for those who want a simple, effective product that gets the job done without breaking the bank. It may take some time to see the full effects, but if you're patient, the results are worth it. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a subtle but noticeable improvement in skin texture, especially if you're just starting your anti-aging journey, or if you prefer a gentle but potent solution. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.